Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Aishwarya Arora and I hope you and your family are staying safe. So this is my first ever Nykaa haul and I am super excited about it. It was summer super saver sale on Nykaa a few days ago and I have some amazing products with me. Before we get into the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right next to it so that you will get updated whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. I am most active there. And you can check the tutorial for this makeup look on my shorts. I have uploaded a short tutorial for this makeup on it. So do check it out. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I received everything in these 4 packages. They are huge and I am so impressed by the packaging. Like every product was very safely packed. So the first thing we have is Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks in the shade 50 Voyager and 15 Lover. This is the shade 50 Voyager. Look at this, how pretty it is. Next is this 15 Lover. It's a very beautiful pink nude shade, like a very pretty one. This was a combo of these two shades and there was no choice of shades, like we can't choose any other shades rather than these. This retails for rupees 650 each, but I got both of them on sale for just rupees 780, which is a great deal actually. And this is for 390 each after sale, and these are great lipsticks, trust me, I love them, and they are super matte, stays on your lips, and the formula is also so smooth and light, and these smell so great. The fragrance is sort of chocolatey. These are from one of my favorite range from Maybelline and I already had one more of this, so I liked it a lot and I ordered 2 more shades of it. Let me show. So this is another of the variant that I showed to you guys, and this is in the shade 260 Hazelnut Hypnotizer. Oh my god, this is my favorite nude lipstick ever. This actually smells of coffee and chocolate. Actually, this is from the coffee collection, so it has to smell like coffee. This is how it looks like. I would highly recommend you guys if you are looking for some good quality lipsticks and which actually stays. Next we have is this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base in the shade 01 Golden Pink. This is lightweight liquid illuminator that gives skin a refreshed glow and beautiful highlight. Actually, you apply this before applying your makeup base like foundation or BB cream, whatever you are applying. So it gives a really natural glow. I haven't used it yet actually, but it seems like it's a nice product. Packaging is really great. It is super rich. This gives such beautiful pink glow and the shine is really good. Yeah, you can see, I hope you can see it. Like this is where I applied it. This gives a very beautiful goldenish pinkish glow, and let's see how this works. Once I use it, I'll give you guys a review about it, if it's good or not. And this retails for rupees 249 and I got this on sale just for rupees 187. It's a great deal. I have oily skin, so I don't know if the glow is gonna look subtle or extra. I don't know that, but I think it's a good product and it had such good reviews. Moving on, we have these two Swiss Beauty liquid metallic eyeshadows. This is in the shade 03 Champagne and this is 05 Rose Gold Retro, and these are amazing, trust me. There were 12 shades in this and I have already used one of its shade called Diamond Dust. I'll show it to you later. I'll swatch this 03 Champagne. This is how it looks. Such a beautiful metallic eyeshadow, like it's really nice. Now I'll swatch 05 Rose Gold Retro. This is how it looks. Such a beautiful rose gold color, like it's amazing, guys. So I already had this one. This is in the shade 02 Diamond Dust. I used it. It's almost empty and I love it. This is my favorite metallic eyeshadow. The quality, the formula, everything is amazing. You can use it as an eyeliner as well. This is multi-purpose. Let me swatch it for you. Yeah. Such a, silverish metallic eyeshadow. I'll give a 10 on 10 for this. I just love this product and this is my favorite Swiss Beauty product so far. Actually all three of them are my favorite now. Already had this and ordered these two, so yeah, these are great. Its actual price is 199 each and I got it for rupees 149 each only, and it's a great deal. It's worth the price. Moving on, we have is this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable. It's a really good concealer. Every YouTuber and every beauty influencer raves about this concealer a lot. This is how the bottle looks like and the applicator is good. It blends so easily and it just glides on your skin. This is crease free and covers the blemishes at one stroke. I really like this concealer. This is the shade and I think this is perfect for my skin tone. This retails for rupees 229 and I got it on sale for just rupees 179. It's such a great deal. Concealers are expensive and getting such a good concealer at this price is great. Now there was an offer that if you buy Swiss Beauty products for rupees 600 and more, you will get a free lipstick, and I got the offer because I ordered 3-4 products of Swiss Beauty. So I got this Swiss Beauty Pro Matte Revolution lipstick. There was no choice of shade and I got this in the shade R1. It's a bullet lipstick in the shade red. It's quite a nice shade. I thought that it is not going to be a good lipstick because its packaging is not that good. It's quite cheap, but it turned out amazing. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful red shade and it has a little bit of shimmer shine in it, but I don't know you can see it on the camera or not. This is how the shade looks like. This stays on your lips for a really long time. I ate a lot when I wore this lipstick. I basically was testing this lipstick if it's gonna, smudge or get off when I eat something, but it did not. I just love this lipstick. Next we have this Wet n Wild Color Kohl eyeliner in the shade Calling Your Buff. It's a nude eye kajal and nude eye pencils or kajal are so in trend right now. This retails for rupees 195 and I got it for rupees 156. This is quite a long kohl pencil and this is enough product for the price, and it's actually a good kohl pencil. It stays for a decent time. This glides so smoothly on your waterline, not at all harsh. Moving on, we have this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Plus Concealer in the shade 16. This is how it looks like. It's a green concealer. Basically it covers all your redness and zits and pimples on your face. Green concealer is used to cover all that. The jar is quite big and I did not expect it to be this big. The formula is quite nice and crease free. This is how it looks. It's a very creamy product. This retails for rupees 275 and I got it for rupees 234 only, and there were such good reviews about this concealer and I tried it on my pimples. It covers all of them very nicely. Next we have these Lakme Insta eyeliners. I bought 2 of them. This is how it looks like. This is a very famous eyeliner. Famous makeup influencers and bloggers use this. The formula is quite nice. This is how it looks. It's a pretty nice eyeliner. You can see it's jet black. I already had it in the blue shade and I liked it quite a lot. Let me show the blue one to you. I used this and this is also such a nice blue eyeliner. Like, the color is so pretty. It comes in 4 colors: black, blue, green and golden. I used this blue one only and I wanted to buy this black one. This is how the blue liner looks like. See how pretty bright blue color is this. Its MRP is rupees 130 each and I got it for rupees 78 each only. Like, this is such a good eyeliner in such cheap price. I would say that the blue one is quite more pigmented than the black ones. Like, you get the color of the blue ones in one stroke, but you have to go again. Like, you can't get that much jet blackness in one stroke of the black ones. The blue one is perfect. The black ones are quite nice, but I said what I felt about them, but it's not that bad for the price. Like, they are such cheap liners and in good quality, but it's just that you have to, go once again when you are applying it so that it looks jet black. My sister used to have these liners when she was in school, approx 9th 10th standard, and I was a kid back then. She's 8 years older than me, and it's quite old liner but is still in trend. Next, we have this VLCC Youth Boost Body Lotion SPF 25 and PA triple plus. It was a buy one get one free offer. Like, it came like this in the packaging. It's a 400 ml bottle each. This retails for rupees 399 for both of them because it's a buy one get one offer, but I got it for rupees 259 for both of them. So basically I got 800 ml of this body lotion for rupees 259. For the quantity, the price is great. So this has almond oil, ginseng, SPF 25, shea butter, and is paraben free, which is great. It also has SPF 25 and PA triple plus. It's quite moisturizing and the texture is not thick. Like, it's actually very runny. It smells really pathetic. Like, I was so disappointed when I smelled it. It smells some kind of soap, like a very cheap 10 rupees soap. Like, the fragrance is a no-no, like a big no-no. Like, you can't use it on your hands because you will get this annoying smell of some soap. I have used VLCC lotions in the past and I like them a lot. I used the honey and almond variant. Comes in a white bottle and has some green packaging, and it was such a great body lotion. I liked it a lot, but I wanted to try another variant because I thought that VLCC lotions are nice. I won't recommend you guys to buy this. Moving on, we have this Blue Heaven nail paint remover. This is a 125 ml bottle and it has vitamin E and is nail conditioner. This is acetone free, which is a great thing, and this retails for rupees 90 and I got it for rupees 63 on sale. It does its job nicely. Like, it removes the nail paints very quickly. It's a very dominating and cheap fragrance, like a 20 rupee nail remover, which you can buy from any local market. That is the thing I didn't like about it. One more thing that I didn't like is it did not had any hole. I had to do it myself with the safety pin. I think they need to work on that. But yeah, except for that, the price is quite decent for the product that we are getting. Moving on, we have this Max Care 100% natural and virgin coconut oil. This is cold pressed. This is a 500 ml bottle. This retails for rupees 375 and I got it for rupees 338. We all know that coconut oil is so great for your hair, skin and everything. It is all-in-one cooking, dietary, skin and hair oil. Coconut oil has endless benefits. I haven't used this yet, but it feels good and I believe that it is a good coconut oil. Last but not least, we have this Gillette Venus Breeze razor with avocado oil. This has gel bars with avocado oil for Glide and Freshia scent. It had such great reviews. This retails for rupees 365 and I got it for rupees 169. This is how it comes. Yeah, so this is the razor and this is the blade. I opened it to see how it is. Yeah, so you can attach it here with the handle and like this. This is how the razor looks. These are the avocado gel bars for smooth shaving, and it glides on your skin nicely. Also, I got 2 refills for the same razors, like the heads only. This was for rupees 350 and I got this for rupees 182 only, and these are 2 refills. Like, it comes like this, and yeah, this is the refill. It's a pretty nice deal actually. They don't come on discount very easily, but it was summer super saver sale, so I got it in a budget price. This is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want to buy anything in future, I am not encouraging anyone to buy anything right now in this pandemic, but if you want to buy anything in future, you can refer to the links in the description box. The sale is over now, so the prices may differ. So yeah, if you liked watching it, do like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Also, do let me know in the comment section which product did you like and what you want to see next on my channel. I am so grateful for you all. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.